This is the Chinese linking rings. Watch carefully. The first one over here. See? Second one.
See there. Wow. Are you guys digging this light? We have the aperture running through the light. Don't see on our newer stands. This might just be the most lit my YouTube channel has ever been. And by the way, I didn't put any time to check. I just set it up just like that and voila, this is what we have. Which means maybe my next videos are going to be better. Gear day today. Something came through the mail and I'm super pumped, super excited. Woo! Estimated arrival at 2:45 p.m. More stuff coming in. Gear day is about to get lit. I'm not even done with the coffee, guys. Do you guys notice this arm? It has like this light. It's like a vintage light. And I don't know if you guys notice there's this thing. It's very small. It's a very small light. And it's not even like a video light. It's just like a desk light. But it's changing a lot about the video. Get a knife. Knife tap. Knife tap is not a real word, but real. I don't understand. Okay. Yeah, we are greeted by Photo Elad. Shout out to Photo Elad. This is one of those things that I've been looking forward to. But now, yet is now for Germany. But now, yet, revelation. I don't know what can stop me now. I don't believe that anything can come in between me and creating content and just waking up and shooting and releasing. Welcome to Gear Day. It's officially Gear Day today, and we have the Gorillapod, the Joby. It's the 5K kit, the heavyweight, the winner of Jobbies. This is the 5K kit Gorillapod. I took the 5K kit because I'm still running on the Canon 6D Mark II because vlogging, but it's not light and it's running on a Tamron 24-70 G2 lens. So I have a lot of shit to carry, so I've always been using my tripod, the bigger normal tripods, guys. For any vlog that you've seen before this was shot on that. If you've seen me move around town and you felt pity, you don't have to do that anymore because I done set your mind free right now. Do you guys see how it's popping out? It's cool. I wish there was like a strip of glass. It would have been more premium, like you're looking at it through a glass and flexible wrapping legs, of course. That's why we bought the damn thing. Aka Swiss compatible, removable, ball head, removable being the keyword here. And Aka Swiss, they put my name is made in Italy, Europe. Cool. We're going to be able to mount it almost anywhere. We are greeted by this. I don't know if you guys can see. Do not write a lot of shit. Just draw. No one reads this stuff, guys. Are you ready? Fuchs. First of all, this is not light. It has like at least half a kilo. It has a bit stiff as well. This is a good thing when you try and save the camera, but not a good thing when you're trying to hold it or carry it or position it. It's a bit stiff to bend. Wow. Creating content. You're greeted by this whole matte gray, black, red feel that gives me vibe. For some reason, coincidentally, I'm also putting on my gray, red, black jersey from VFL. So I cannot imagine myself like this kind of Gorillapod with a whole red, gray, black tint. That would be like the most killer combo. It's a bit heavy for what I expected, and these knobs have a sort of like rubber feel to them. Now they are heavy plastic, but the grip, like the round thing you touch, has this nice grip. The difference is just the size, but the material is the same. They feel really premium. And this is rubbery. It's that kind of rubber. This matte, sticky rubber. Truthfully, I would trust my camera with something like this. Honestly. It has this ball socket, which means we shall also be able to pull off like portrait shoots. This is what sits on the camera. Ooh. So yeah, this is a very sick arrangement. What is this for? Why would I go ahead and make like a 120 euro purchase of something like this? There's these new arrangements that make it seem easy. The GoPros, the action cameras, the Osmo pockets and things like that. Now usually when things become so easy, they become a bit harder. Let me explain. I know you guys.
Hell no, man.
Let me explain. You see how so many people have iPhones, but they're not really learning how to create content? It's now so easy. You can't just do that. But when I have something like this is more significant for me. This puts me to work. It sort of like tasks me to perform.
Oh, okay.
So the idea is just that one, I already had the lens, I already had the camera, I also had the mic, I'd already started YouTubing. So I figured, why not go ahead and do it? I signed up for it. So I'm now committing to actually making the content. One, this is the one thing that was missing. I've had so many angles that I've wanted to take, but because I'm using a bigger tripod, or because sometimes I'm just using the camera without the tripod, some places you just can't get the camera, guys. So this, one, I can trust it with my camera. If I can trust it with my lens, oh my god. Whoa. My guy. What's up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning. We just started Gear Day today. Now, yes. Hoite. Yeah, the general. Bear with me. When you have a tripod, people think you act like in a media house. Then they start running away. But if you have just a Gorillapod, they automatically know that it's personal. You're doing serious personal things. Because when they see you with a Gorillapod, most of people start smiling. I've found myself in situations where I'm smiling at someone because they're carrying a camera on a Gorillapod. So I just know that's a YouTuber automatically. Usually when people see you with this, they know you're shooting personal content. So they give you the chance, and most of the times they like smile at you. So it's sort of like not necessarily welcoming, but it's accommodating. So there's so many reasons as why I needed this. Two, getting the killer shots, putting the camera in places it cannot necessarily fit. Do you guys see how serious this is getting? Now give me two reasons why you haven't subscribed. Give me two reasons why you haven't subscribed. Why don't you just hit the like button? Why can't you just leave me a comment? I feel like going to the field right now. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. Hit the like button. See you again on the next Gear Day, because Amazon just shocked me right now by today at about 2 p.m, which is like an hour and a half. Did you guys see my energy though? I feel like if I have another coffee, it will be legal. But thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. Let me know what you think of this unboxing. Let me know what you think of the setup. I'm about to hit the field and shoot something that I've wanted to shoot. I have like a list of things that I already have in plan. So yeah, until then, holla at your boy. Leave me a comment in the section below if anything has moved you in this video, and I will see you in the next. I don't have a Bima left. Shh. I don't know what I'm going to use. I feel like doing shh, but yeah.